guess once I do my intro, you could start recording.
I'm already recording.
Oh, you're already recording. All right.
Yeah.
So you're just okay. So what's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I have Kevin from Cyber World, and today we're gonna do predictions for Monday. So how's it going, Kevin?
It's going good. I guess I'll do my introduction. Hey guys, how's it going? I don't know. That's kind of.
How's it going? Classic. How's it going?
I haven't heard of Austin.
You haven't heard what?
Have you ever heard of Austin? Like, his name is Austin, I think. He does like game content and stuff. He always starts off with, "Hey guys, how's it going?" So.
No, maybe I have. I follow a lot of channels. It's hard to keep up sometimes.
All right. Well, so like, how do you feel about Cron? I gotta ask about that. You were such a big believer in Cron, and then you sold it, and now they got bought out by Aurora. Like, how do you feel about that? Like, why do you think they chose Cron over Afria? Like, the Afria was in talks with them, and then they dropped Afria for Cron. Why do you think that? Why do you think that that's the scenario?
Well, I think the obvious answer is because of the allegations against Apria right now. So it would be very hard to invest in a company that's in a lawsuit right now. That's getting sued. That might be frauding their investors. So Cron, I guess Cron was the better choice for them, and it probably was the cheaper choice for them since it was a cheaper market cap.
Yes, it was a cheaper market cap
purchase. So compared to Apria, it was a better choice, especially because of the problems that are going on with Apria right now.
Yeah,
so it's a tricky situation. But what do you think? What do you think about that whole situation?
I think the reason why Aurora picked Cron over Afria is because I'm thinking that Cron has a better science team. They're more into the science of cannabis versus the growing of cannabis, and Afria is focused on growing low cost greenhouse products, while Cron is focusing on growing international / more of the science versus growing it. That's what I think.
Yeah, no, that's a good point.
Yeah.
And what do you think about the whole situation with Apria? I know you gave your opinion, but what do you think's going on with Apria? You think
according to some videos that I'm watching, like Midas Letter, he's like, the CEO can't come out right now. He's hiding behind lawyers, and make sure that everything clears before he actually comes out and talks. But I do think there's some corruption in Afria. I've always thought that, but I guess the market kind of just ignored it.
Yeah.
And then somebody is calling out Afria out on this, and Afria's just like, "Oh shit." That's what I think is happening right now.
So on to our topic, Monday. Okay. What do you expect to see on Monday?
So I'm gonna go off with my favorite stock, Aurora. Since the Cron deal happened, it's so hard for me to see Aurora dropping back to that low $6 level because it's such a bargain at that price. Like, why would investors sell off that much to give people a buying opportunity? I honestly believe right now it's still a very cheap price. In 12 months, we'll look back and we'll be like, "Oh, remember when Aurora was like $6 billion?"
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because I went to the Aurora shareholder meeting, and Cam Batley said that the revenue will catch up to the market cap in about 12 months. You guys will see the revenue reflecting the market cap.
Yeah.
So
I just put the Aurora charts on just to take a look at them. So what's your prediction? You think Aurora is going to go up or down for Monday?
Well, I have a call option on Aurora for going above $8. So I'm gonna make a positive prediction and say it's gonna go up, but there's a chance it might go back to $7. But everybody wants it to go back to $7. So will it really go back to $7? Because at $7 is a pretty good buying opportunity in my opinion, especially after that deal with Cron. It just gives Aurora more leveraging power. It's like, why, like, it's just, I don't know. It's tough because Aurora is such a better company than Cron, and Aurora has a way better science team. They have high quality, low cost production. They're in like Uruguay. They're growing cannabis out there, and then they're tapping the Mexico market, and they're the biggest Europe international market. They have the biggest presence in Europe right now out of all the cannabis companies. So I mean, out of like the two companies, Aurora is such a better company than Cron, and Cron, you know, got a deal from Altera. That just shows that, you know, Aurora could go out there and grab a deal from another big company if they really wanted to. But
exactly.
yeah, so
why do you think Altria picked Cron over Aurora? Do you think because Aurora was just too expensive, or do you think Aurora has so many options that they're waiting for the perfect one? Maybe they did get an offer from Altria, but
the rumor. Sorry, go ahead.
No, that's all I had to say.
Oh, okay. Well, the rumor was like they were in talks with Coke, right? And then when I was at the Aurora shareholder meeting, one of the which I will be releasing a video on the questions and answers part of the Aurora shareholder meeting. But one question came up where, hey, what happened to the Coke deal? And then Cam Batley was like, okay, nobody say anything. So
okay. So maybe they're still working something out. Who knows?
I think so. I think that they're in talks with someone, and that eventually a deal will be struck if they want to. I mean, Aurora might just, you know, be very ambitious and try to do everything without a partner.
Yeah, I think at this point the ball is in Aurora's court, because if Cron can get a deal, if Canopy can get a deal,
Aurora's can get a deal very easily if they wanted to.
I think there has been offers on the table for them, and they're just being either really picky or they just.
Cam Batley did say that if they were ever to be bought out, they'll make sure shareholders get, you know, rewarded for this. They were always looking out for shareholders and getting the best deal possible for them. So that's what Cam Batley was talking about the shareholder meeting. So yeah.
So, any predictions on when you think they'll get a deal?
I say when cannabis edible drinks come out. So that's probably sometime next year, in my opinion. I think Aurora wants to have the revenue reflect the market cap first before they accept the deal.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
I feel like that's way too long. I feel like there might be a deal coming out. Well, next year's very close, actually, so that's true. So I feel like, I hope there's going to be a deal before next quarter earnings. That would be nice to see.
I don't know if they need it, man. Next quarter earnings is going to be the 3 months of rec market. I think that, I think when the stock, I mean, I think when they report those numbers, the stock's going to be like around $10. Just my opinion. I think right now is a great opportunity. I mean, yeah, people are worried about stock market crash. So there's probably hesitation to buy the stock heavily.
Yeah. Did you purchase any Aurora shares recently?
Yeah, I got emotional this morning, and I was so pissed off about about selling off that I dumped a bunch of shares into Aurora at like $7.75 in the morning. And then I bought it at a very high point because I just put market order right in the morning because I thought Aurora was gonna like skyrocket, but I should have just waited and be patient. I got emotional.
Yeah, I thought the same thing was gonna happen with Cron, because you know how when Canopy got that deal,
yeah,
I thought the same thing was gonna happen with Cron, but then I started to slowly see that they were declining, and then I decided not to, because I was gonna do a quick day trade with Cron.
Oh, I see.
I didn't, because they declined as soon as they hit that high in the morning. So, yeah. And same with Aurora, they kind of just stabilized today. But honestly, so what do you think Monday's gonna happen? I think that on Monday It all depends how Apria does. I have a feeling Apria is gonna have a very bad Monday. What do you think for Apria? What's gonna happen with Monday?
Well, right now after hours they're up 15 cents, so that's a positive sign.
I hope they go up. It'll be nice to see them go
Oh,
up.
are you still a shareholder of Afria?
Yeah, I'm talking about Apria.
No. Are you still a shareholder of Afria? Oh, you sold it off.
I sold half my shares this morning.
I see.
So I still own half of my position. So I have like a little bit. So I had like over $10,000 worth of shares, and I sold 5,000 worth. So
I see.
yeah, I always do that. I always hold half just in case it continues to go up. And
Yeah.
in this case, it went down. So hopefully I don't regret it. We'll see.
Yeah, I was actually thinking of shorting Afria right in the morning, but I didn't have the courage to.
You would have made a lot of money.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, you can play a put option on it.
So I was gonna say, so I think that that Monday it all depends on Afria. If Afria has a horrible Monday, it will probably drag the rest of the market down. Maybe Cron might not move that much. Maybe Canopy might not move that much since they're backed up by a lot of money now. So those companies, like I look at Cron right now, and now its valuation actually makes sense.
Oh, it absolutely makes sense right now.
Yeah, they literally have a market cap of what they've been invested. So you look at Cron's market cap, 2.49.
Yeah, but you forget once they get that money, the market cap's gonna get diluted, right?
Yeah, probably. But for now, because look at Canopy though. Canopy has a 13 billion market cap, and they only had a 5 billion investment. Cron has what was the investment? It was like 2.75 billion dollars. I forget exactly how much it was.
I don't know, like 2.4 billion, I think, Canadian.
Yeah. So they pretty much have the market cap of what they got invested. So what got invested.
Yeah, that was nice. I think the market cap's gonna get diluted by, like, once they get that money, it's gonna get diluted, but it's still pretty good. I mean, the market cap might increase to like $3 or $4 billion, but then they have like $3 billion of cash and like and some like regular assets. So
I'm gonna have to take this call real quick, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Hello. Okay. I'm coming out. I'm coming outside right now. Okay, bye.
Okay, well, you know what? It's probably already been 10 minutes.
How much time is this? Maybe we
12
can do
minutes.
part two?
We'll do part 2, guys. He got some.
Or no?
What?
Is this 10 minutes or more? Or
It's
no?
12 minutes, 13 minutes.
Oh, so that's perfect. I gotta make a quick sale, and I guess we'll do part 2.
All right, I'll just stop the recording.
100 likes, and we'll do part 2. Don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys hopefully in the next video.
See ya. Bye.
Bye-bye.